Chattels.
How to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. Go to your General Account dashboard. Select 2FA from the side menu. The page to set up your 2FA will appear. Step 1. You need an Authenticator app to set up your 2FA. Go to your App Store and download an Authenticator app. We recommend Google Authenticator, but any trusted option works. Step 2. Open the app, and you will be prompted to add a new code. To do this, there are two options to choose from. Option 1 is by scanning the QR code. Option 2, using a setup key. However, for the purpose of this video, we will be making use of option 2 only. Copy the setup key provided on this page, paste it into the Authenticator app, and it will generate a 6-digit code. Enter that code in this area and click on Activate. After activation, you'll get 5 recovery codes. Download and store them somewhere safe. If you lose access to your Authenticator, you can use any one of these codes to log in. Each code is valid for a single use only. Important: you must set up 2FA within 10 days of creating your account. Otherwise, your account will be temporarily locked out to prevent unauthorized access.